Looking ahead to tomorrow, it promises to be a busy day for Memphis City Council.
For sure, from deciding whether to keep the police chief to approving a controversial health care program for city council members. Council chambers are expected to be packed tomorrow. Jay Shakur is with us tonight to break down all of it. Jay, tell us about this health care idea first.
Council members want health care coverage for them and their family as they serve. Now, we don't know how much it would cost taxpayers to provide that particular benefit. They would have to pay into the plan as long as they're on it until the age of 65.
I definitely want to see more money allocated to alleviate those social problems and not benefits.
That's taxpayers Gilbert Barnes' reaction to the controversial news of extending health care benefits for city council members. The proposal that still doesn't have an exact cost, if it passes council, gives those members who serve 2 consecutive terms health care coverage until they are 65 years old. Then they will have to disenroll and go on Medicare. Councilman Chase Carlisle telling ABC 24, quote, "It's a horrible idea. Serving on Memphis City Council is a lot of work, but if you're doing it for financial reasons, those are the wrong reasons."
There are full-time, fully vested employees who, just to throw out a round number for the sake of conversation, have been faithful city employees, faithful city servants for 30 years, and there's no talk of this measure for them.
And though Memphis Fire and Police already have this benefit, there are still no talks for longer-serving city employees. Barnes saying there are better places for city leaders to spend taxpayers' money.
That proposed move in terms of extending benefits for city council persons after 8 years, whatever the figure to do that may be, even an estimated or projected figure, I'm sure can be better served in bringing about more streetscape improvements, more specifically, more green spaces being created.
Now, in addition to this big ticket item, the City Council will decide on Mayor Paul Young's appointment, including C.J. Davis, to stay on as the city's top cop. But we're told the decision about police chief may be the only vote tomorrow, and Davis's appointment is expected to be very, very close. Also, a final vote is expected on officially transferring the ownership of the Liberty Stadium from the city of Memphis to the University of Memphis. We'll keep you updated on air and online with the latest. Back to you.